Phrasal verbs for everyday life. To speak English fluently and naturally, you should use phrasal verbs in your conversations. Let's watch this video to learn some common phrasal verbs in everyday life. An accident. Hey, why do you look so tired?
Yesterday was a terrible day for me.
What happened to you?
My car is broken down.
Oh my God. Sorry to hear that. Why is it broken down?
When I was driving on the highway, suddenly my car crashed into a lamppost. Then it didn't work anymore.
Jesus, are you okay? Do you get hurt?
No, I'm okay. There are some bruises and soft tissue injuries, but my car...
Why didn't you keep your eyes on the road? Do you know how dangerous it was?
I was having a call with my manager. I lost my concentration. My bad.
Thank God you are fine. However, I think you better have the doctor look you over. It is better to have pain medication than to wait for the pain to get worse.
I'm okay. Really. I'm going to have an appointment this afternoon with my doctor.
Would you like me to come along? How about your car?
Nah, I'm okay. Its headlights are broken. It needs to be repaired. I sent it to a garage to repair and figure out if it has more problems.
Hold on. Can you get it back this weekend?
I think no. They told me it takes 10 days to finish.
So what about your camping day this weekend?
I need to put it off or even call it off, unfortunately.
Do you want to borrow mine?
No, thank you. I should take a rest after all. It wears me out.
My aunt. Tim, do you have a plan for this weekend? Do you want to hang out with me?
I'm so sorry. I'm going to Texas.
What do you do there?
I always visit my aunt at the weekend.
Your aunt? You must be really close to her.
Of course, yes. She brought me up when I was a child.
Really? Huh, she is a kind woman.
Yeah. When I was a kid, my parents got sick. Unfortunately, my dad's disease got worse day by day. Then he passed away when I was only 5 years old.
I'm so sorry about that.
I'm okay. Everything's gone. I got over it. We need to move on, right?
Yeah.
At that time, my mom's health was still bad. My aunt moved to my house to take care of my mom and me. She picked me up at school. She helped me with everything in my life. She seems to be my second mom in this world.
How about your mom and aunt now?
When I grew up, we moved here because of my business. My mom is better now. But my aunt still lives in Texas, so I try to visit her weekly. I usually buy her some fresh fruit or souvenirs after my business trip. I always try my best because I don't want to let them down.
They must be really happy.
I hope they feel happy when having me beside their side.
Can I go with you this weekend? I rarely come to Texas, so...
Sure. My aunt has a garden there. I think you will like it.